Hello, welcome to C Programming. This is Shaji. In this video tutorial, we are going to see for loop construct. It's an iterative construct. If you want to do some activity repeatedly for a certain number of times with different values or a series of values, we can use iterations. And for loop is a easy iterative construct or a loop. So let us try a program and we will see how the for loop is being used. So I am declaring a variable, integer type variable, and I am naming it as I, and let me start a for loop. For I equal to 0, that means I will be having an initial value of 0, I less than 10, so the maximum value of I will be 10, and every time I will be incremented by 1, so I equal to I plus 1. So this is the structure of the loop. So whatever things given within the pair of curly bracket, it will be repeatedly executed, depends on the condition given here. So here if the initial value is 0 and if the final value is less than 10 and incremental steps are 1, then it will be executed 10 times. Let us see it. So we can print something here. Print %d comma I. So the value of I will be printed repeatedly. So let us see how many times the I is going to be printed in this loop. So let me run this program. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Up to 9 it is being printed. Let me put a /n new line character so that all the numbers will be printed on different lines. It will be a little easy to see the output of this program. Okay, is here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Press any key to continue. So this program, it is executed 10 times with different values of I starting from 0 till 9. So this is a simple for loop. Okay, if you change the value from 10 to 100, then it will be printing the value from 0 to 99. Let me try it. Yeah, value from 0 till 99, all the values are being printed here. So if you want to print 100 also, then give equal to here, I less than or equal to 100. So let me compile it and execute. Yes, so now 100 also came from 0. So we can use any of the comparison operators, less than or equal to, greater than, whatever, depends on the condition requirement. We can change the conditions. So if I want to print only the numbers from 90 to 100, then the initial value can be changed. So the first one is the initial value, second one is the ending condition, and the third one is the increment value, what the next value should be. Okay, this we will try. So we are expecting an output from 90 to 100, exactly from 90 to 100, all the numbers being printed here. Let me revert it from 0 to, okay, I am going to give 20, and here I am going to give a small change, I equal to I plus 2. So incremented values are changed, so it will be incremented in steps of 2. So initial value will be 0, next value will be 0 plus 2, that is 2, then the next one is 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, and so on. So in this program we are going to get the print of all the numbers, all the even numbers between 0 from 0 to 20. So this is a program to print even numbers from 0 to 20. And if you want the odd numbers, just change the starting number and let me try it out. Execute. Yes, we are getting the odd numbers 135 till 19. 19 is the nearest odd number. Okay, let me modify the program little bit. So I am going to declare one more integer variable, sum, and I am initializing the value of sum as 0, and here I am going to print it. Sum equal to sum plus I. Sum is added with I. So initial value of sum is 0. So whichever number is being generated, that will be added with sum. That means at the end of the loop, the variable sum will be having the total of all the generated numbers. So this will be printing all the generated numbers, and at the end this printf will be executed only once, and it will give the print of the sum, the total of the generated numbers. Okay, let me try with all numbers from 1 to 20. Let us see what is the sum. The sum is 210. Okay, I will give a caption also. Sum is it is 1 to 20 generated, and the sum is 210. And if you want to find the sum of numbers from 1 to 100, so the ending condition will be changed to 100, and we will get it the entire numbers from 1 till 100, and the sum is 5050. So this is the way how we can use the for loop for doing some operations iteratively. That means these statements, the ones which are given within the curly brackets just after the for loop, so this is being executed repeatedly many times, depends upon the condition given here, the initial value of for loop, ending value of for loop, and the incremental value. And suppose this is easy and simple. This I equal to I plus 1 can be written in different way. I plus equal to 1. So if you want, you can represent this one as I equal to I plus equal to 1. Yeah, I plus equal to 1. Let me try if is it correct or not. Yeah, there is no error. I plus equal to 1. So that way also we can represent I equal to I plus 1. Otherwise we can represent with one more style, I plus plus. So if you are incrementing in steps 1, then you can give I plus plus. So iteration is an operation where we want to do some operations repeatedly, but with different values substituted here, and this will be useful. These iteration operations are used for generating numbers or CS, generating some series of numbers, sum of numbers, sum of odd numbers, even numbers, generating odd numbers or even numbers. So this kind of programs, this for loop is applicable, and even many more applications are there. But these are all the simple applications for the for loop. Thank you for watching this video. I suppose this is clear. In case if you have any doubt regarding the for loop or the style of using it, please feel free to contact me. My email ID is it_teacher1@yahoo.com. Bye.